New day, just got to the stream here, just getting daylight. That's what I was planning on getting here because the last few times I got here a little late. So I'm gonna throw streamer on and we're gonna get to it and we'll check back in. Can't tell if it's a smallmouth or brown, but crushed the streamer though. Looks like we got a smallie. Let's get him off and back in. Alright, so I'm not sure if this is stocked or not, but it looks maybe like it is. Still good colors on him though. Alright. So we got the first wild brown, probably like 12, 13. Just got another little one here. Came right out of that hole over there. Alright, we're hooked into a good one here. I switched streams. The first stream I was at wasn't really producing, just catching some stalkers. I'm liking this a little better though. It's pretty muddy. So we're gonna continue here. As soon as I get this hook out of him, let's get a release on him. I'd say probably like good 17, 16 maybe. Just caught another one. I got him in too quick to even turn the camera on, but let's take a look at him here. Not a bad one. Go ahead and release him. Mouth's caught on the net. This is where I'm fishing right here, just tossing streamers down in through these log jams and holes. So right now I'm using this brown version of that olive one that I was using last week. Seems to be doing the trick though. I actually just had one hit it right there. I think you could probably see the flat or the splash. Just caught this one. It's a nice fat one. Let him go. Alright, so we got another one here. See a bunch more moving up there too, so let's get back at it. Let's get a release on him. And he's off. I got him in quick, that's why there was no video. Not a bad one. Probably about 12, 13. There he goes. So I'm not exactly sure what this is. I get a big smallmouth here. Not a bad smallmouth. Alright, so just hooked up here. I've been casting for about 20 minutes. Alright, we're going to get a release on him. I just just got down to the stream, just caught that one. Gonna continue on here. I'm out fishing bigger water today. We're gonna see if we can get into some bigger browns. Toss some streamers again. I'm using that olive streamer that I was using last video to start it off. It's nice and cloudy today. Water's clear and low, but hopefully the clouds will help out, work in our favor. So I'm gonna get back to it here. We're hooked into another one here. Stripping it across that roof. Let's get back in the water. Caught him in too early. I think I'm gonna record up through here because it looks pretty good, so we're gonna keep the camera on. We're gonna get a release on here. My setup right now, I got Orvis Battenkill reel and then my Orvis Clearwater 5-weight 9-foot. I have 3-weight line on it. I like using fly line still for streamer fishing, at least for right now, until I get maybe used to it more, because I think it's easier to strip than mono. So for now, I'm just going to use this, but I like having the 3-weight or the 3-weight line on there because it's easier to strip in. I like having the 3-weight line on there though because it's not as taxing on the rod and you can actually cast it pretty far. There's a big one. Maybe not too big, but we'll take it. Let's get him in here. Didn't end the day as well as I started it. It was raining there for a while. It wasn't enough to muddy up the water or anything, so the creeks around here are still very low and clear, so it makes streamer fishing especially a little harder. Coming up here in about a week, going on a 3-day fishing trip, well 3.5 days. So stay tuned for that video. I'm probably gonna make that 3 separate videos from each day. Both of the creeks are creeks I've fished before. The first creek that I'm going to, I've only fished once, and it was like way back when I first started fly fishing, so I'm pretty curious to see how I do on that with streamers. And then the other stream I've been to quite a few times, that stream I've fished a ton with nymphs, few times through some streamers, but this time when I go, I'm gonna do all streamers at both of these creeks. So stay tuned for those videos. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more content in the future. Leave a comment, any suggestions you guys have, and then leave a like on this video if you liked it. Peace.